Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some methods to fix Geometry Dash not launching on Steam. So I don't have Geometry Dash, so I'll be using an example. So first of all, what you'll have to do is you'll have to launch Steam and then go to your library. So then you'll have to find Geometry Dash and right click on it and go to properties. So you'll have to go to install files and then you'll have to verify integrity of the game files. Press this button and Steam will verify the integrity of your game file. So after that, what you can do is you can run this game as an administrator. So to do that, you'll have to find your shortcut. So if you have a shortcut on your desktop, what you'll have to do is you'll have to right click on it and then open file location. It will take you to the file location of the exe file. Right click on the exe file, press properties, and then here you'll have to go to compatibility. Here you can do two things. First of all, tick this run this program as an administrator. Second, what you can do is you can tick this run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8 here. So simply press apply and then OK, and then you can try launching Geometry Dash. If it doesn't work, what you can do is you can simply uninstall it and reinstall Geometry Dash again. To do that, simply find Geometry Dash on your Steam library, right click on that, go to manage and then press this uninstall button here. After that, you'll have to go to your library or Steam page of the Geometry Dash game and then simply reinstall Geometry Dash again, and hopefully your issue would be fixed. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.